point, which is from Charles Lindsay or something. He wrote some book called something like Trident methodology, or you can look for that on Google. And basically, if you have some sort of overreaction near the P point, the 50% of this projection, basically, you are pretty sure to have a reversal at the D. You have more odds to see a reversal happening near the D point. The D zone. Let's call it like that. So here, what happened? Here we have a flush. A flush took out some stops, and that's it. You can see how these lows become some sort of a resistance zone right here. So sometimes you can just keep it in mind if you have some sort of a downtrend. You wait for price to reach that sort of zone, and yeah, you could try to go short somewhere here if you had this confluence, which we didn't have in this case. It's not very accurate in this case. Okay, so here we are breaking again this line. Let's see if this is a true break or a false break, like here when they played, they pretended to break this line and then come back. Let's see what happens. If we regain this line and we break these double tops here, I'm gonna go long like this. Long here, stop loss below here. Life is nice. I'm gonna try to get to this center line here. This is a center line. So let's look at the higher time frame for confirmation or whatever, and yeah. So the problem with this trade is price is in a downtrend, but if we look at the 16 minutes, if we get these double tops broken, and by the way, let's refresh. It's always nice to refresh. Okay, they are double tops for real. Yeah, we have a double top for real. So let's keep watching this vehicle, and let's see if we get this in place. Here, let's refresh, because we are gonna put money on this stuff. Okay, so here we have price almost, reaching always this zone here, even though price, didn't quite make it to the line. I don't know. I think that price did its job in here. We have, 3 pushes here, and it's something that my eyes see. I mean, this formation look in harmony to each other. To me, this is a 3 pushes. It's a formation that precedes an inversion, and you can see how price is struggling to go higher, and we have these 3 pushes. There isn't really much space between where price went and the median line. So how many pips is this, and how many pips is large this space? Is this space large? Very few. So yeah, I can consider this for I can think that price did its job, I mean that the fork did its job, and price reached the median line, so to speak, and that's it. So let's see. I need a couple of lows being taken out, like this 2, and to draw another fork. But I don't know. I wouldn't be putting my money on the quartile here, trying to catch the final push to the upside. That's the way how I see it. Now let's look at some other vehicles. Okay, my opinion on the euro dollar is that we're gonna reach this median line here, based on the fact that here we have a switchback. We broke this high, and we didn't reach the D here, which is bullish, and yeah, that's it. Yeah. At the beginning I thought we were going here, but then price made all this crappy stuff here, and this sort of jiggering, and now I think that support resistance became support, which is bullish, and so we're going here, according to me. I don't believe that this line would stop price, this green line. But I can be wrong, so price might also reverse here at the green line, and shit happens. We will see when price will reach the green line. That, by the way, could be working because of this. We are in tune, and by the way, we didn't reach the median line. Oh, and yeah, we didn't reach the median line, and this is one more reason to believe that we could break the green line to the upside. So now we could have something like this, or many times you get something like this, pretty much. So let's see which one of these two are going to work. I guess that we're gonna have something more like this, because also if we look at the weekly chart, you can see here we have another switchback in place here. This is a bullish switchback. Resistance became what? Support, and that's it. We have a switchback, and so let's see what happens. I guess we are going at least somewhere here. That's my opinion. We're going somewhere here. Let's see. And it's 144, 145, ish. So if you have some long position on the euro, you might want to exit this area, because with support here and this stuff here, I guess that we might even break this line and go here to 160 or whatever ish that is. Yeah. So this is the euro. I don't know if we will do that as I said, but I don't know. My guess it's in the deck of the cards. Let's see. Here there was a nice chance. This is kind of a killing field, and I'm waiting to see price out of it because I'm don't want to play ranges. I think it's stupid. There are better entries out there, so that's it. What I see here is that price is rolling, is turning around, and we had support here, then here, and then here. Think of it like this fork was a horizontal range. By turning your head around, and you will see that we have double tops here. These are double tops, and these are higher highs. We made a top, a higher high, a higher low here. Then we made a double top and a higher low. So this thing is turning around. And here we have what? A range, also called energy coil by someone named Timothy Morge. Um, these are zones and times when price recovers some energy before, trending, being trend again, and you have to wait and see what is the direction that it takes. Um, let's look at some other vehicle. Okay, I said this is a failure, and let's see if we get a bump here. This is the quartile. This is in AB equals CD. So let's see. I want to go short here. Remember, the reward risk ratio has to be good. If the reward risk ratio is not good, you're gonna have problems. So you want to have something above 3.5 or 4. And I'm waiting for price to go here to go short. So with this is all for today. I hope I gave you some indications about what to do and what not to do. And let's see if here we get to this zone and then we go higher or what. Because you can see that on this zone there are people pushing price higher and higher and higher every time. This is a congestion. Here, we broke this high, came back. So this became a mountain, so to speak. This whole structure is a giant mountain, and then now we are going back up. This is how I say it. They made this low, up, then back here, and then now up. This is a change of behavior. We broke it. We broke this line. So now I'm waiting for price to go here. If we exceed this line, then I'll be more cautious about it, and I will be stepping back. I will do a step back and watch price action. But so far, I believe that price will reach this zone and then will reverse, and so I will draw my uptrending fork like this, so to speak. Something like this. So with this, I